Hi there, this is Sujit here, and today I'm going to talk about the part 2 of the round length algorithm. So, part 1, I had chance to discuss about the encoding of the string. The input was like this, and the output was nothing but the repetition number as well as the letter attached to this string. So this was the encoding, and today I'm going to discuss about how the decoding process would look like. Yesterday only I was able to figure out the solution of the problem, and today I want to give you some insight about it, and so therefore we can begin. So here we have the input example as this one, just like above output, and this is the output we need to have from this function. I have already defined the function. The name of the function is decoded string, that will take the input as this string and it will give the output in the form of a string. And okay, first of all, what I would like to do is I would like to create a variable um, that will let's say a constant input array. What it will do is it will change the string into array. So the elements would be the individual letters within the string. So this is the input array, and let's give an index. Sorry, it should be var because the index changed. So it should be var. So this index, it will be in incremental way within the loop we are going to declare. So for so let's say character within input array. So it will be iterating over the elements within the array, and the character will, in one loop, it will get one value of that particular array, and we are going to have some kind of judgment over that character, whether it is a string, whether it is a number, it is a letter, right? So whenever if whenever there is a number within the character, it knows that we have to repeat that character and put it inside another variable, right? So let's say return a string. It will do nothing but append that character for that particular number of times. So let's do one thing. Let's write the condition if let say value is equals to what is the value? Character. So let's convert that into integer, and there should be an error. So as you know that we need the optional type of variable over here for the optional binding, so we have to use the string for the optional type. I'm sorry, so it has to be other way. It has to be converted into string first, then after it has to be converted into int later, because we know that int will give the optional output and value will be assigned with that particular output. So in this case, so if the character is a number, then it will be assigned inside the value successfully. But in case it is not a number, then the value will not be able to take that particular number. So this if block won't be run. It will not run in that case. So, and one thing we forgot, we need to increase our index by 1. So here, why we are increasing the index by 1 in advance? It is because the character we need will be one step ahead of that particular number within that string, right? So the index will be like one step further. So you will get to know why I write it that way. So it is like a number or normal reasoning. Let's say one thing. Let's I put the condition over here, and so we need to repeat that character. We need to repeat that character for value, right? So let's say we have received value as 3, right? We need to iterate that later for that value number of times, right? So for sorry for do we need to have that value character value? Okay, we don't need. I don't think we need. In 0, suppose, sorry, the count begins with 1 1, and it will go until the value. Then after what we will do is we will append this string by using the input array, and we can index that array with the index parameter, right? So it will go on appending that return string until that loop is accomplished. So if the value is 3, then it is going to be like putting that character for that many number of times, right? So I hope we receive the output. Let's print the output before we return a string. Let's run it and see. Okay, so the this is the output, right? Over here AAA, so it is the same thing over here, AA BB CCT. So we are able to get the output as desired. So that would be it for today, and I'd like to I'll put it in the GitHub and put the link below in the description so that you can download this file and play it around. And that's all. Have a great day. Thank you.